Your integration estate is everywhere. Apps, APIs, databases, documentation, scattered across repos, wikis, and people's heads. What if you could see all of it in one place? Meet the TIBCO Developer Hub, a single pane of glass for everything you build on TIBCO. Built on the proven foundation of Backstage, it brings your estate together without replacing any system you already run. From the homepage, you can jump straight into your topology, the marketplace, or your documentation. This is your Catalogue, a searchable index of every asset. APIs, Flogo apps, business work applications, templates, databases, EMS queues, TIBCO and non-TIBCO. No more hunting for what already exists, or accidentally rebuilding it, and every component has a clear owner, so you always know who to call when something needs attention. Here's where it comes alive, the integration topology. See how everything connects? Systems, applications, databases, and the APIs between them. Hover any component for its details, then click through to the full entity. This is real impact analysis. Understand exactly what's affected before you change a thing. Every API in your landscape in one inventory, REST, SOAP, GraphQL, MCP, and gRPC. And unlike a typical catalog, the Developer Hub shows not just the APIs you expose, but the ones your applications consume. Complete visibility, both directions. All your documentation lives here too, linked to each component and auto-generated from your TIBCO source, so it stays current with the real implementation. Specs, API definitions, guides, one click away. An empty hub isn't much use, so fill it from the marketplace. Install templates, import flows, sample systems, even the skill library in a few clicks. And because it's Backstage underneath, you can extend it with over 250 community plugins for the tools you already use. Discover, understand, reuse, extend your whole estate. One hub. Install the Developer Hub in the TIBCO platform, or run it locally from the open source repo, and use the skill library to make it your own. The TIBCO Developer Hub. Thanks for watching.